See, I'm riding high. Kinda broke the scene, y'all. So play up, give me some brew, and I might just chill. But I'm the type that like to light another joint like Cypress Hill. I still do be spit loogies when I puff on it. I got some bucks on it, but it ain't enough on it. Go get the S, the TIDEF. Nevertheless, I'm hella fresh, rolling joints like a cigarette. So fast across the table like eating my chest like King Kong. If so, wrap my lips around the 40. And when it comes to getting another stogie, fools all kick in like Shinobi. Homie ain't my homie to begin with. It's too many hands to be. Probably let my grin hit fit. Unless you pull out the fat crispy. $5 bill on the real before it's history. Cause fools be having them vacuum lungs. And if you let them hit them, bring you hella numb.